Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek Total Bromine Test Strips. What is AquaChek Total Bromine Test Strips? AquaChek's Red Test Strips allow pool and spa owners to test their bromine-based sanitation systems for total alkalinity, pH, bromine, and water hardness. Simply insert the test strip into the pool or spa water for 1 second, and seconds later you have fast, accurate results. It is recommended that you test your pool a minimum of twice per week and spas before each use to get an accurate picture of the health of your system. Product benefits: fast, simple, safe, and accurate. Test for total bromine, pH, total alkalinity, and total hardness. You get test results in seconds. Usage directions. Step 1. Dip and remove the strip. Step 2. Wait 15 seconds. Step 3. Compare the pad to the color chart on the bottle. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.